Okay, so right here, I'm just simply showing you guys a few items. We have crab legs, shrimp, lemons, the oven bags. We got chicken broth. We got the shrimp. I don't know if I said that already, but yeah, we got that. Eggs, potatoes, and sausages. And we got a big old pot. And here we're using some Old Bay seasoning. We're putting all this in the water. So Old Bay seasoning as well as garlic powder. Not garlic salt, but garlic powder. And also some onion powder. We got some lime and lemon juice. Now here's the potatoes that I'll be using. And we just simply put it into the pot with all the seasonings. Now the water is hot. It's just not boiling right now, but it's super hot because this is a big pot. Now I also put some lemons in there and I cut them up as wedges. Squeeze the lemon juice in the pot. Drop the lemons in, all of them. And also I added the shrimps. And now it's time to make the sauce. I'm using some Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning. I didn't have much of it, but I used the rest of it. Some Old Bay, some onion powder, as well as some garlic powder that we're going to be using for the sauce. Now I'm just going to show you guys. I just put everything into the pot. We got the crab legs. I actually got the crab legs from Food for Less out here. I got 3 pounds for $15, so that was not bad at all. And catch your local markets, and they should have different sales, but here I'm just putting the lid on top so it can just boil and steam. Now this is everything after it's done, and I'm going to add it into the oven bags. Now you did get this oven bags for about $2, and it was 5 in there, big large ones. I just put everything inside the bags, everything from the pot, the eggs, potatoes, all of it, and I drizzled the butter that we made into the bags, which I'll show you. And we're just gonna give those bags a nice good shake, tie them up, put them in the oven, 375 for 15 minutes, and that's about it. And I'm showing you guys what it looked like after it got out the oven. And there you go, under $50 seafood boil.